That one bust a seal. Ow. Whoa. New firmware? Where am I? Surface terrain appears to be bioorganic. This is certainly not Cybertron. Off to a fantastic start. I'm not registering any anomalies, but this is quite abnormal. What is this place? An Autobot ship. So there may be allies on this planet. Hello there! Anybody home? They could use a friendly face. What? I've seen friendlier. Huh. There's usually an axe. Greetings, mighty Scorponok. I am Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobot. No, actually, run. Run is the plan. Come on. Come on. Primus' grace, just give me some traction! What? Energon? The readings are spiking. It's real. Incredible. Thief! I have been waiting on that spawn for weeks! Easy there, Dinobot. I am Optimus Prime, leader of the— Not just any Dinobot! You speak with me, Grimlock, king of Dinobots! Okay, guess nobody likes the speech. Why does everything want to attack me? Sorry, can't stick around. Is it possible? Bumblebee? Hopefully someone who won't attempt to dismantle me.
Feels like I dented my brain module. There's energon in my olfactory intake. Oh, frag. A firmware update. I think I'm gonna void my tanks. Oh, thank Primus. Huh? Megatron.
Hello, Bumblebee.